welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today Chef Dom's not here today, but today I went ahead and whipped up this mushroom cream sauce. That's very versatile. You can actually put this on steak, chicken, pork chops, mashed potato, or even your Thanksgiving turkey breast. It's a wonderful sauce, very easy to prepare, and I think you're gonna love it. Today I'm using white button mushrooms, but you can also use or experiment with shiitake, oyster, or even the cremini mushrooms, which are baby portobellos, if you didn't know what those were. Okay, now some people just take a damp cloth and wipe off the dirt, but I like to do it a little more in depth. Some people think that the mushrooms would absorb the water, but that's not necessarily true. What you want to do is just clean them like you would any vegetable. That should be enough. You'll see all the dirt in the bottom of this water here in a second. And then you want to take a clean towel and just put your mushrooms on top of there. All right, perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and just pat these dry. These are good to go. All right, first thing we're going to do is just cut off a little bit of the stem here. See that dirt kind of absorbed that stem there on the mushroom, so you want to cut that off. And then you want to just go ahead and slice them up about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. All right, mushrooms all ready. Now I've got my pan here heating up. I'm going to go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Nice and hot. Then we're going to go ahead and add the mushrooms. And what we're doing now is we're going to go ahead and cook out all the moisture out of the mushrooms. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get a white onion all diced up. About 1/2 of a medium onion works fine. And if you don't have a white onion, you can use a yellow onion also. All right, so go ahead and add the onion. Around a bit. Now we're going to go ahead and chop up a couple of cloves of garlic. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add the garlic. My wife's favorite part. All right, now we're going to hit it up with a pinch of salt. Pinch of black pepper, and we'll let this cook for about 2 minutes. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add some thyme. Just pull off those little leaves, real easy. A couple of sprigs. All right, now we are going to deglaze the pan with a little white wine. This is a Chardonnay. We're going to go ahead and let that cook out. See the mushrooms have all been cooked. All the moisture was removed, the water. Now we have wine moisture, but we're going to cook that out. All right. Wine is all cooked out. Check it out. Now we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter. And 2 tablespoons of flour. It's all-purpose flour. We're actually making a roux to help thicken up the sauce. And you want to cook this up for about a minute or so.
Leo says it smells yummy.
Leo.
Mushrooms will kill him.
All right, now we're going to add some vegetable stock. It's about 2 cups. All right, we're going to let that thicken up just a bit before we throw in the heavy cream. All right, now while that sauce is thickening up there, we're going to go ahead and grate some cheese, Parmesan Reggiano, and we're going to chop up some Italian parsley. Cut up a couple of tablespoons of Italian parsley. All right, look how nice the sauce is thickened up. Now we're going to add some heavy whipping cream. And we're going to continue cooking this for another 2 minutes on medium low. Oh, beautiful. Now while that's cooking, let's go ahead and throw our pasta. All right, our water's boiling. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of tablespoons of salt. And we're going to go ahead and cook our fresh pappardelle. They're thick rivets, a little thicker than fettuccine. But they are so good with this dish. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes to cook. All right, our sauce is cooked down, as you can see. And now we're just going to finish it off with a couple more ingredients. And we're good to go. We have some Parmigiano Reggiano that we grated earlier. And we'll put some parsley, about 2 tablespoons of parsley in there. There we go. And we're going to turn this off. And this sauce is ready. Very nice. We're going to taste. Make sure it has enough salt. Perfect. The Parmesan gives it the extra saltiness. You don't need to add any more salt. All right, take a look at this, honey. Pasta is ready. These are beautiful noodles right here. Oh, excellent. All right, let's drain them. All right, noodles are drained. Now I'm just gonna pour this right in here and finish cooking the pasta off in this cream right here. Oh, look at that, mama.
Gorgeous. Fix my plate. I'm a little dominant today.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yummy.
Oh, isn't that beautiful? And this is ready to plate. Oh, look at that. Some more of these right here. Oh, let's grab some of these mushrooms. Put them on top there. Let's eat. All right. Pappardelle with the creamy mushroom sauce is ready. Let's give this a taste test here. I already tasted the sauce. It's absolutely out of this world. Grab a mushroom, some pasta. Oh my God, honey. You are gonna love this.
I bet.
It's absolutely delicious.
Wonderful. You can't have any.
Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers, and if I don't see you before Thanksgiving, have a happy Thanksgiving. And remember, this sauce works great on your Thanksgiving turkey. Hold on a second.
You can't have any.
Yeah, Leo, come here, Leo. Yeah. Leo, did you hear Leo throughout the whole video? You probably did. He just loves it when I cook in the kitchen.
He does. He wants a bite, but you can't. It's mushrooms.
Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next recipe.